Every year, vessel collisions continue to occur despite advances in navigational technology. In many cases, the root cause is not equipment failure, but human factors and ineffective bridge resource management. This training animation demonstrates how a seemingly routine watch can rapidly develop into a serious incident when warning signs are overlooked. It is 22 hours. A container vessel is transiting a busy traffic separation scheme during hours of darkness. Traffic density is high, requiring continuous monitoring of radar, AIS, ECDIS, and visual observations. The officer of the watch has the con and is responsible for maintaining a safe lookout and assessing collision risks. While conducting the watch, the officer becomes occupied with administrative paperwork and routine documentation. As attention shifts away from navigational duties, situational awareness begins to deteriorate. Radar targets continue to develop around the vessel, but no systematic assessment of collision risk is carried out. A vessel approaching from the starboard side is steadily reducing the closest point of approach, or CPA. Radar and AIS information indicate a developing close-quarters situation. Audible and visual alarms activate, warning of the increasing collision risk. However, the warning signs are not effectively evaluated. Effective bridge resource management relies on communication, monitoring, and timely intervention. In this scenario, the bridge team fails to challenge the developing situation. The master is not informed. No additional support is requested. The opportunity for early corrective action is lost. As the target vessel continues to close, available sea room decreases. The vessels enter a close-quarters situation. Urgent maneuvers are attempted, but valuable time has already been lost. At this stage, the options available to avoid collision are severely limited. Moments later, the vessels collide. The impact causes significant structural damage and exposes both vessels to serious operational, environmental, and commercial consequences. What began as a manageable situation has escalated into a major marine casualty. This incident highlights several critical lessons. Navigational watchkeeping must always take priority over administrative tasks. Radar, AIS, ECDIS, and visual observations must be continuously monitored and cross-checked. Collision risks must be identified and addressed at the earliest opportunity. The master must be called whenever a situation develops beyond established limits. Most importantly, bridge resource management requires active communication, mutual monitoring, and intervention whenever safety may be compromised. Technology provides valuable support, but safe navigation ultimately depends on the vigilance, competence, and teamwork of the bridge team. Early action prevents incidents. Effective bridge resource management saves lives, protects the environment, and ensures the safety of the vessel.